As I mentioned, this course is going to be highly practical. Therefore you will need a lab. A place where you can practice and experiment with the things that you're going to learn in the course. Not only that, but having a lab is essential for hackers or pen testers, because let's say you discovered a new attack, or you want to experiment with a new attack, or you learn something new online and you want to test it. Then the perfect place for you to test this and practice hacking is a hacking or a testing lab. If you're testing network attacks and if you're testing website attacks, then you will need to install websites on these computers, or you can do all of this inside your computer, inside one machine, and install everything else as virtual machines. In this lecture I will say you about VirtualBox, Kali Linux, advantages and disadvantages of installing Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an application where you can install different operating systems virtually, or you can say in build machines. And Kali Linux is a distribution of Linux operating system, where you have full control and is mostly used for pen testing or hacking. There are both advantages and disadvantages of using Kali Linux and virtual machine, such that you can use both Kali Linux operating system as well as Windows operating system. We can capture and restore snapshots to fix broken things we did, are the advantages. And the disadvantages are: we cannot use and build wireless adapter and cannot connect directly to router. We cannot carry it everywhere.